In this video, I'm going to show you my simple 3-step process that it took to make over $83,000 selling a little PDF document. This PDF document wasn't anything special, so it's easy to copy. You just have to follow all 3 steps if you want to copy this strategy, and once you see exactly how it works, you're going to know why it worked. Enjoy this video because I'm getting right to it to show you exactly how I did it. So before I show you the 3-step process, what I want to do first is I want to show you proof of the income earned. As you can see, there's over $700,000 earned from these PDFs. But if I go down right here, as you can see, the one that I'm mainly talking about is this ultimate wholesale vendors list at $83,603. Then we got a simple credit repair PDF, $70,000. Then we got $36,000, $34,000, $34,000. So I just wanted to show you proof real quick so you can see the power in selling these simple PDFs. Now again, once you see this 3-step process, you're going to see why it works. You're going to see why it generates these many sales. A lot of people think that you could just load up a Wix store or a Shopify store and promote a bunch of different products at once and make a lot of money, but that's not how it works. So watch here in just a second what I show you, why it worked and how you can make this work as well, because it's super powerful and it's also life-changing. So right now what it's time for is time to show you the 3 steps that I've been telling you about. These 3 steps right here, you need every single one of them if you want to make the big bucks. Now, if you are somebody that's only looking to make a few $100s a month, you don't need all 3 of these steps. You can literally have step 1 and 2 and do well. But the people that are making $20,000 to $100,000 a month, they have all 3 of these things right here. And right here, you're going to watch me show you exactly what those are, and you're going to see exactly why they work so well. So the first thing you need, step 1, you're going to need a premium PDF. A premium PDF is a PDF that is absolutely loaded with value. This PDF right here is called the Hormone Reset Playbook for women over 35. As you can see, all of the benefits right here. We have a complete 28-day meal plan, supplement protocols, sleep system stress solutions, movement guide, and a daily tracking journal. Now, when I say premium, I really mean premium. So whoever makes this purchase, most likely, of course, going to be a woman over 35. She's going to get every single one of these things right here loaded into one premium PDF. Now, when it comes to selling these PDFs, problem solving is everything. The problem that I solved to make over $80,000 with one PDF is I gave people a vendors list. This vendors list was very loaded with very powerful and high quality vendors that if somebody wanted to start a jewelry business or a hair business, that PDF was the connection. It was linking. It was the missing link that they needed in order to start that business, because it was a PDF full of suppliers. So if I'm starting a jewelry business and I can't find a supplier, or if I don't know where to find a supplier, I can just grab this vendors list and I can see 20 different jewelry suppliers that will help me start my business. That's a very stressful thing for a lot of people that's getting started with business, especially, of course, a physical product business. That's what it was for. Whenever they are starting these physical product businesses, it's very stressful for them to find suppliers. So that was the problem that I solved with that vendors list. Now, this hormone reset playbook right here is solving the problem for women over the age of 35. So let me keep going down here and you can see the value of this specific PDF right here. So we got the medical disclaimer right here. And if I keep going, I'm gonna just run through it real quick. I can see the contents right here and you can see everything that it lists out. It's beautifully designed. And it's a professional PDF that it doesn't matter if it's a school teacher or a stay-at-home mom. They're going to not only be attracted to the look and feel of the PDF, but they're also going to gain a lot of value. Why everything changes after 35, the hormone shifts no one warns you about, your hormone type assessment, identify your unique imbalance pattern, the reset nutrition framework, when to eat and why it matters. And every single one of these sections right here that's going to go over exactly what it needs to, of course, cover in order to solve the problem. So if I keep scrolling down, you'll see right here more amazing content within this PDF. Why everything changed after 35, and it got all of the facts right here and all of the helpful information. And if we keep going down right here, it's laying out the different elements that it needs to go into, of course, to be a valuable PDF. And we go down here, here go the assessment, and it got like the checklist and all of that. We can keep scrolling down, and I'll keep scrolling down. Here go the reset nutrition framework. So we got the framework right here, the 5 pillars of hormone supportive eating. So we got those pillars right there. And if we keep going down, what we have is a 28-day meal plan. If you wanted to sell this for $27, that alone is worth $27, just a 28-day meal plan that these women can benefit from in order to improve their health. So let's go down right here. Let's keep going down. And we got the supplement protocol right here. All of that is listed out. We can keep going down. Every single thing right here, the stress detox system, we can keep going down. Movement that heals, and we got the plan right there, your weekly movement framework, everything from yoga to outdoor activities, key principles. We can keep on going down. Here go the journal. As you can see, this is a very powerful premium PDF right here. So what I've noticed over the years, and I've been in this game for nearly 20 years, 2029 will be right around the 20-year mark that I've been online. And I've seen people make $100 a month, and I've seen people make $100,000 a month. The difference is the people that's making $100,000 a month, they're selling premium PDFs like this. The people that's making $100 a month and saying that they're a failure and what they're doing is not working, they're selling these trash PDFs that nobody wants to buy. Now, if you are a woman over the age of 35, you'll most likely purchase something that looks this beautiful and that provides this much value. This is a professional document, as if you got it straight from a doctor or somebody. Like, it's a very professional document right here that any woman over 35, well, at least most, is going to purchase. They're going to want to purchase something like this. So once you have your premium PDF, no matter if it's within this niche, the vendor list niche, or it can be in, let's say, the golfing niche. Somebody's trying to improve their swing in golf. It can be any of these niches right here, or any niche you can think of. But that's only step one. Step two, what you would need is you would need a very beautiful sales page. Here go the Hormone Reset Playbook sales page right here. This sales page right here is professionally designed. Of course, I'll go over this part in a completely different video. You'll need a professionally designed sales page, just like the one that you're looking at right here. And if I scroll down, we got all of the sales point right here for the PDF that you just now seen. So if I'm promoting this and a woman that's 35 or older land on this sales page right here, she's going to view every single one of these selling points and all of these details right here. All of this information right here that's meant to sell her on why she need this PDF. And it won't be much selling, because if she click on the ad, then she most likely already showing interest anyways. So this sales page right here is meant to do the selling. And this is just not any old sales page right here. Using very powerful psychology, it's designed to make 7 figures. Not $100,000 a year, not $999,000 a year, but $1 million plus a year. A sales page like this is designed because it is designed with human psychology. That's what makes it so powerful. As you can see, it got the before the reset and the after the 28 days. So whenever somebody can see a before and after on a sales page, they are 10 times more likely to purchase whatever you may have to offer. And we can keep scrolling down right here. Everything you need, nothing you don't. And it has the list of things right here that's going to, of course, help the sale. And if we scroll down right here, testimonials right here, of course, they'll eventually become actual testimonials. These are just demo slots for the sales page. If we go down here, the original price of this is $97, and you can easily sell it for $47. So let's do some math real quick. If I were to sell this right here, and if I wanted to sell this, let's say for $47, this is a really good price, as you can see, for the value. If I sold this 10 times a day, 470 times 30, that's $14,000. Even half of that is $7,000 a month. So you're looking at right here a mid six, $500,000 to $1 million per year empire with just this one premium PDF plus this sales page. But that's not all, because this is only step 2. Step 3 right here, you can't make the sales on social media or with paid ads if you don't have a premium mockup. Right here, this is the complete hormone reset mockup. Now, what is a mockup? A mockup is like a display. If you ever go into a mall and you see a mannequin that's modeling clothes and you like, okay, that outfit looks good right there. Why do you think they have those fake people, those mannequins right there? That's like their mock-up right there. They're showing you exactly what you're going to get when you purchase that shirt or that hoodie or those pants. So that's exactly how a mock-up works with digital products. This mock-up right here is telling the price. So if this is on Facebook or Instagram and I'm running Instagram ads, you already see this $27. So if 30 women click on this, 3 of them most likely will buy. Now, what if those clicks only cost me $1 a click? I made $141 and I spent, let's say, $10, even if I spent $10 on the ad. And the reason why a mock-up is everything, once again, is because it's showing you exactly how the product looks. It have a beautiful headline right here. It's telling you the price. It got these bullet points right here to help the sale. This is step 3. So step 1 again is the premium PDF. Step 2 is the premium sales page. Step 3 is the premium mockup. If you got all 3 of these things right here and you start running Facebook and Instagram ads, you may want to mute your phone because the sales notifications will most likely light your phone up and really start to annoy you. And I'm really being honest when I say that because I get woke up all the time by sales notifications and I have to really mute my phone. And that may sound crazy and you may be excited to see sales notifications, but if you get 15 of these while you're trying to sleep at 3 a.m. and 4 a.m., 5 a.m. in the morning, it's going to be a little annoying, but of course you're going to wake up to all smiles because you're going to be excited that you end up making a lot of sales. So whenever it comes to making the real money online, these are the 3 things you need. If you skip any of these 3 things, you're most likely going to make the small bucks. The people that make the big bucks, they have the premium PDF, they have the premium sales page, and they have the premium mockup. So again, I'm going to go over in another video how to actually build the premium or outsource the premium mockups and also the sales page. I didn't want to cover all of that in this one video, but if you are ready for step 1, and if you don't want to, of course, outsource the premium PDF, you can tap the link in the description to go ahead and access not only the PDF that made me over $80,000 and the other ones that you've seen, but also 200 more premium PDFs. Again, you don't have to even touch the link in bio. You don't have to do it. You can go ahead and get a crappy PDF or one that won't sell and hope to make sales. But learn from somebody that's made millions of dollars selling premium PDFs while everybody else is making a few hundred, or if they lucky, a few $1,000s selling crappy low quality PDFs. But if you want the premium PDFs, tap the link in the description of this video or the pinned comment and you will gain access to 200 plus premium PDFs. And that is step 1. Again, step 2 and 3, I'm going to talk about in another video. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to not only show you what I sold in order to make over $80,000 with one PDF, but I also wanted to give you the 3-step formula with how you can do it as well. So be on the lookout for my other videos because I absolutely love PDFs and selling PDFs. And it doesn't matter if it's an ebook, it can be a guide, it can be a checklist. I love selling these items because I know whenever you tie all 3 things together, they're going to sell like hotcakes. So I really want to tell you the things that most people are not telling you. I can almost guarantee that you can spend the next, let's say, 7 days watching YouTube videos about selling PDFs, and you most likely will not find a video of somebody covering all 3 of these things right here. You'll hear about the PDFs, but they never tell you what's making the sales. And the things that are making the sales, of course, you got to have the premium PDF, but the things that are really making the sales is the premium sales page as well as the premium mockup. If you got all three of these things, the sky's truly the limit, and the amount of money that can be made is truly next level. Go ahead and once again check out the link in the description to gain access to 200 plus premium PDFs, and be on the lookout for my other videos because I have a whole lot coming. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not yet. Comment below and let me know what you thought about this video. If you're already selling PDFs and you're doing well, or you may not be doing well, comment and let me know how you're doing with selling PDFs. But at the end of the day, this is the formula right here. I just spilled the beans and I told you a 3-step formula to make all of this possible. So whenever you hear somebody talking about I'm making $100,000 a month selling PDFs, they're telling you that, but they're going to sell you a course for $2,000 to tell you exactly what I just told you for free. So go ahead and tap in, complete step 1 below, and I will be back very soon with step 2 and 3 and dive deeper into this whole process.